There's one thing that leads the way from the moment we wake up. In each thought, in each decision, in each action. It's in the energy that turns our future on. Sustainability makes our lives easier and safer. Now it's time to make our lives better and brighter. At IN+, we see a sustainable future. Innovating through basic and applied research in the fields of industrial ecology and sustainability, thermofluids, combustion, energy systems, technology management and policy. From fundamental research to the optimization of technological processes, we developed the delocalized production of energy from renewable sources that can be stored in batteries. We recover valuable materials with state-of-the-art infrastructures. We engineer our own solutions to fulfill our vision of a future of sustainable innovation. This is our plan for the future. This is our vision.